Welcome to my video about the City GIS flowchart. I will explain a little bit about the business process, which is when the customer will request the service and when in the end it will receive the services. We can see here the lanes that are involved: the customer service department, the credit department, and the IT department. At first, the customer will request the service, which will be then received on the end of the customer service department. In turn, they will request the customer information in order to make the service package. So then from the customer service department, they will ask the customer to provide the information, which in turn they will. On the customer service department end, they will receive the information and then select the appropriate service package for the requirements of the customer. In the credit department, will be checked if the customer has sufficient credit. So in case the customer has not got a sufficient credit, then they will the customer service department will in turn reject the customer, which will be followed to the customer who will receive the rejection. But if the customer does receive a positive credit, the credit department will calculate the credit terms, after which the terms will be approved. Once they have been approved, the IT department will start designing the service package, and after that will finalize the service package. As soon as that has been finalized, the invoice will be prepared by the credit department. The customer service department will then receive the invoice and send it through to the customer, who will then receive it and hopefully make the payment. Once the payment has been made and received by the credit department, it will be sent through to the customer service department, who will then authorize the service package. Once the package has been authorized, the IT department will start providing the services, and of course then, as soon as the services are being provided, the customer will start receiving the package and can eventually begin utilizing the service package, which is the end of this flowchart. Then we go to the information requirements, which is essentially the same thing, but you can see in this graph in this table all the necessary fields that are needed to make this process happen. So for instance, here we have the company name, the address information, and the telephone number. Or behind this we have information about the service package, so the order number, the options that the service package offers, the date, the price, and the approval. And eventually we also have the credit approval, which is necessary before the service package can be provided to the customer. Of course, another necessary thing is the invoice, very important, and in the end we have the package start and end dates. So as you can see, in some areas the sections are empty because that doesn't involve the City GIS company. Other fields will always start with the creation of information, and then after this it will be used and never be created another time. But at first every lane begins with the C of creation. Hopefully you will be able to read my description of the flowchart. It's exactly the same as this one, so that wouldn't be a problem, hopefully. And I hope to have informed you enough, and you can read more about this in my report. Thank you for watching.